Yes, Sir Fidel Isip, our controller. Sir Salvador B. Malik, our dean. Madam Principal, Ma'am Mary Ann D. Reyes. To our parents, completers, honors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning po sa ating lahat. It is truly honor to stand before you today as your guest speaker. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our alma mater, Pampanga Institute. And I would like to thank Sir Jess for inviting me here, and Ma'am Tess, my two favorite teachers when I was in high school. This is the significant milestone in your life. Today is the celebration of your success, and I want to reflect on what this moment means and to share some words of encouragement as you along into a next chapter of your life. This is the result of your hard work, perseverance, and dedication. You have spent years studying, learning, and growing, and now you are facing the challenge of new beginning. None of us achieve success alone. Alam natin yan, na lagi natin kasama ang ating mga incredible mentors, teachers, and beloved ones who believe in us even without ourselves. And take a moment to acknowledge those who stood by you, your parents, your guardians, your teachers, and friends. Graduates, completers, honors, please give them round of applause for our teachers and parents. And classmates through undying support and love and sacrifice. Your journey to this moment was not easy. There was a late night, early mornings, moments of doubt, and times when you thought about giving up. Narinig ko rin kanina yung sabi ni Lian na marami tayong bagay na pagsusumika, pagpupuyat sa gabi, at yung struggle natin nahaharap habang tayo nag-aaral. The support of all people around you have been invaluable, and their pride in you today is unmeasurable. I want to share some short story. May isang estudyante noon sa Pampanga Institute. Pumapasok siya na laging kulang ang baon, laging late sa klase kasi sumasakay lagi sa bangka. Laging nabubuli dahil sa kanyang pangit at payat na pangangatawan. Hindi nakakuha ng medal kahit minsan. O naging honors man lang. Hindi sumasama sa mga field trip dahil walang pambayad. Hindi sumuko sa pag-aaral dahil siya ay hindi sinukuhan ng kanyang pamilya, especially yung kanyang mga magulang. Tinulungan siya ng kanyang mga kaibigan at ginabayan siya ng kanyang mga guro. At higit sa lahat, hindi siya iniwan at pinabayaan ng Panginoon. At siya ngayon ay tumatayong guest speaker niyo sa araw na ito. Dahil sa aking pagsisikap at pagtsatsaga at tulong ng mga taong nagmamahal sa akin, nalampasan ko ang mga hamon sa aking buhay. I remember my favorite teacher and my advisor when I was in third year high school, Madam Julieta Chanco Calara. Kapatid po siya ni isa rin sa favorite teacher ko na si Joselito Chanco. Ituturo niya sa amin kung ano ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa o unity. At pinaramdam sa amin na kami ay pantay-pantay sa kanyang klase. Kahit sumasakay ka man ng bangka o hindi ka man nakakabayad ng tuition on time, hindi niya pinaramdam sa amin yun. Success is just individual journey. It's built on unity, teamwork,